Hello friends, my name is Shilpa and I am here in this Penkraft Institute. I came to know Penkraft Institute through Facebook and 1 year back I had come here for the 1 day workshop to learn dot mandala. It was a lovely experience and enjoyed learning dot mandala and would like to learn more in this Penkraft Institute. Right now, I have come here to learn Madhubani painting, and which I'm enjoying very much. I have, if you can see, there is a lot of art done behind me, and I have learned Madhubani painting through Kalpana teacher. She's a very good teacher, soft spoken and very intelligent, and she's there here with me right now. Enjoyed a lot learning here, and of course I'll be doing looking forward to learn dot mandala, and I would suggest and advise you friends to join Pencraft to learn. You will also enjoy. Thank you so much friends. Bye.